Hello, and welcome to a short video on how to sign up for your OKTA account for lead service line technical assistance. If you already have an OKTA account, visit https://comdev.mt.gov/programs and boards/community technical assistance program/lead service lines and click on the Request Help Inventorying Lead Service Lines button. If you don't have a current citizen login, please follow these steps. Visit https://comdev.mt.gov/programs and boards/community technical assistance program/lead service lines and click on the Request Help Inventorying Lead Service Lines button. Click on Citizen Login. Scroll down the sign-in page and select Sign Up. Enter your information listed. Select the Register button to send an account verification email to your registered email address. You'll receive a verification notice after you successfully registered. The email in question will come from the sender address noreply@okta.com with the subject line Activate Account. If you don't see the email in your inbox, it may have been sent to your spam or junk folder. You can try using your mailbox's search field, searching either the sender's address or subject line to find where the email is located within your inbox. Click on Activate Account. Upon activating your account, you'll receive the following pop-up form. Click on the option that pertains to your entity. If you're unsure which option to select, click on I am not representing a business. Once you've entered the information, click Save. You'll be redirected to the following page. Close out the page. Go back to https://comdev.mt.gov/programs and boards/community technical assistance program/lead service lines and click on the Request Help Inventorying Lead Service Lines button. You'll be taken to the ServiceNow login page. Click on Citizen Login. Once you click on Citizen Login, you'll see the sign-in page. Enter your information to sign in. Once complete, click on Sign In. You're now able to complete the Lead Service Line Technical Assistance Request form. If you need assistance with the OKTA sign-up process, call us at 406-841-2770. Thanks for watching and have a great day.